camouflage trail. I was over the river before the sky was awake. I've kept my ear pressed to the transistor radio. The station is all I have left for my little home. I don't want to leave, but this sorrow was all I could take. The staticky voice through the crackling speaker has followed me all the way here. The longer I go, we both will get weaker till one of us just disappears. I don't want to go, but my duty is stronger than fear. I worked 20 years without nothing to show, so I left behind everything that I've known in the hope that my family won't need to go hungry again. They stopped me the last time I tried this migration. I'm the overflow man in this melting pot nation. The only thing here in this desert is northerly wind. And I'm not really sure where the oxygen's going, but it followed me all the way here. The line on the map didn't stop it from blowing. It's free and that one thing is clear. I don't want to go, but my duty is stronger than fear. And the sun, it doesn't care if it's here or if it's over there. It just passes through the stratosphere until it goes away. I once watched a sparrow fly south for the winter. Feathers were